How to stop spam emails in Outlook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. Let's go ahead and find out if we have got the option for it. What you need to do is you need to check out a preferred browser in your device. Go ahead and search for outlook.live.com. Now over here, if your Outlook application is up to date or the software is up to date, you need to click on the three horizontal line to get access to your Outlook settings. Over here, you will have a new feature called subscription. As you can see, since my Outlook is not up to date, I don't have the subscription option. Basically, in that option, you will be able to find all of the companies that you have subscribed to. And those companies are the one with spam emails. So what you can do is you can go ahead and unsubscribe. And with a simple click, you'll be able to stop spam emails in Outlook. We hope that you found this video informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.